everybody. We're here with Kalera. This is Steve. Steve, great to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you.
Yeah.
Good to see you.
And you were kind of explaining to me a little bit off camera that not only are you a farming company, you're also a technology company as well.
Yeah, really what we do is through technology, we grow a product that is basically farming, but it's farming in a controlled environment, agricultural environment. It's a vertical format. So we control everything about the life of these plants. We control the water, we control the light, we control the nutrients and everything about making them work out to be very extremely nutritional. We have the microgreens, we have the loose leaf, and we have full head. It is locally here in Colorado as well.
Yeah. And so I guess one thought I have as I'm hearing you kind of share this is that, you know, it's kind of controlled environment that you're growing everything in. How does that affect flavor or taste?
Wonderful. Yeah, just a great question, because what it does is it increases the flavor and the taste profile.
Okay.
And it's because we actually control the inputs to the plants. We actually have a 25% higher nutritional value to the product. And it's because of we're able to extract the light spectrum and through the technology provide what the plant wants to use to grow, to build the texture, the taste, and the profile of the product.
So this is really where that tech side comes in.
It does.
You're really understanding what the plant needs to thrive and be the best flavor and texture, and then giving that plant what it needs to.
Absolutely correct. You couldn't have said it better. So we're feeding and providing what each individual plant wants to be able to give that enhanced experience when you consume the product.
Awesome. Now, as far as, you know, when someone's working with you or, in a relationship, what does that look like as far as, you guys are able to produce enough, like, volume wise?
Sure.
Like,
So we have at Aurora, our facility, our farm is a 100,000 square foot warehouse. We have capability to produce over 10 million pounds of loose leaf lettuce a year.
Wow.
So we have the influence to not only supply local, but also on a national perspective.
Awesome. And then tell us a little bit about you and like the story of how this all got started.
So Kalera, it's basically the farm investment. It was originally started, there was a need. That need is to fulfill a segment within the produce industry in transitional gaps when you're going out in the field. Myself came to Kalera, produce industry over 40 years, to be able to then tell the story of Kalera and what that is to the controlled environment agricultural world. We're a segment within the produce industry that fills a niche, very specifically food service.
Yeah.
It's a wonderful and a very, very nice partner that we've had. Yeah. We appreciate all of it because it actually plays out really well for the dining experience and for the consistency year round.
Yeah.
So I can give you the refined quality year round because it's a controlled environment. I can give you the service through fulfillment year round, and we can be cost effective as part of that because we're consistent. Mother Nature is not.
Yeah, there's hail, there's
absolutely
all sorts of things that could interrupt a traditional farm setup. And then one last question as far as like sustainability and like eco-environmental type impacts.
Sure.
I'm assuming that you guys are ranking high on those.
We're very high. So we have a 97% savings on the water. And so the water that originally comes into the farm is still the water that is there. So we use that and we monitor that 24/7. And what that does is we're able to provide the nutrients. So not only are we earth friendly to it, we are using something that is already there, but the savings when it comes to water, there's no bugs, there's no pesticides, all of those things. So we don't have to use any chemicals to provide the product for you.
So then is this considered like organic, or like how do we like label this?
Yeah, that's a wonderful question. So organic, USDA certified organic, we are probably one notch further.
Whoa. Okay.
And the reason is because
11.
Yeah. The reason is because we don't have to use the fertilizers that are used in the outdoor farming.
Right.
We're not a greenhouse. We're not a glass house. We are a controlled environment farm where we are completely encapsulated. It works out fantastic because not only the flavor profiles, but the growing practices, they fall in line with organic, but the actual registration under USDA certified, the nutrients that we provide push us and exceed the flavor profile and textures of the product. We are clean. Would be the proper word for us.
So we can have a healthy consciousness.
Yeah.
Where, like, you
absolutely can.
Okay. Awesome. Well, hey, man, it was great.
Very nice to meet you.
Very educational.
Yeah.
And I'm excited to, try some of this stuff.
We're here. We're local. Give a call.
All right. Sounds
good. Take care.